Migraine doesn't just take your health, it takes your social and financial confidence too. People living with chronic pain often avoid social gatherings, networking, team events, which then limits their career visibility. This isolation can shrink your financial opportunity over time. Building a supportive community is key. Building both your personal and professional community is key. Here is one step, though, should implement if this is an area that you're struggling with. Reach out to one colleague, one supportive colleague or a personal friend, someone that you trust, and explain to them your situation. Explain what support for you looks like. It could be that you prefer quiet spaces. So rather than going into a busy coffee shop, especially if coffee is one of your triggers, especially the smell. Like for me, the smell of coffee, is a trigger for me. You could explain to your friend or your colleague about the kind of spaces that is suitable for you. You could also explain to them the flexibility of timing. This small ask builds big